What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tuned Engines, and today we're gonna be getting these two trucks ready for a car meet. Alright guys, so let me tell you about the car meet we're gonna go to. So this car meet, it's called Corey Moore's Go Wheels Up, and it's basically gonna be a car meet at an airport. Supposedly it's like a big event, and like they're gonna have an air show, a car show, then like a music festival. Another thing is like they have 3 different categories. So like they have like the, I guess like the exotic cars will be like Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and all that. Then like the second class is the Back to the Past, something like that, and it's for like the old cars, like vintage cars, classic cars. And like you have third one, which is just like your everyday cars. Like for example, like if you upgrade one of your cars and like you take it, and then you can go ahead and show it. So we went ahead and registered both of these trucks. We registered the 71 and the 69, and we're gonna go ahead and take them. But first we have to finish up some stuff. Oh, and by the way guys, so this car meet is a 2-day event. So it's gonna be a weekend. So it's gonna be Saturday and Sunday. And we're gonna take it both days, but on the first day, which is Saturday, they're gonna have judges, and they'll be giving out prizes to like, I guess, the coolest rides, the coolest cars. So hopefully, I don't think we're gonna get a prize, but hopefully we do. Hopefully they like one of these trucks enough and they give us a prize. All right guys, well let's go ahead and start this. Let's go ahead and finish up these trucks and get them ready for this car show this weekend. All right guys, so this is a to-do list for today. So for the green truck, we have to go ahead and put the dash pad. That I guess basically it's just a little dash pad you have to put on. We also have to go ahead and put the armrest. And we're gonna put one in each door because none of them have it. We're also gonna go ahead and put the door handles to unlock the door from the inside. Again, like in the 2 doors. We're gonna go ahead and put also the ones for the outside to open the truck from the outside. And then the last thing is fixing one of like the driver window, because it doesn't want to go up and down, and fixing the weather stripping. But besides that, it should be pretty much done. I'm not gonna do anything to the engine on this one, because this one we're not gonna leave the hood open. It's only gonna be, I think we might leave the hood open on the white one, but besides that, that's all we have to do. For the white one, it's super simple. We just have to, I think, fix one of the cables that's shorting out. But yeah, let's go ahead and start this. Alright guys, so this is basically all the stuff we have to replace. We still have to what they call unpackage everything, but yeah, let me go ahead and do that for y'all. Alright guys, so we have everything unboxed. So these are the new armrests we're gonna be putting on the green truck. These are all of this is basically the weather stripping, so no water gets in the car. And then we have the new, I believe these are the window handles, super shiny. Then we have these to unlock the door. And we actually went ahead and got these door handles. We actually have another set for the white truck for the 71, but I'm not sure we're gonna be putting them on today. And this is weather stripping as well, but this is for like the entire truck. And this is a dash pad I was talking about. It's brand spanking new, and it's the one that the truck is missing right now. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on. Alright guys, let's get this project underway. Alright guys, so it looks like you just got put these holes top right here and line them up. Hopefully it's not too hard. Alright, cool. Alright guys, so I guess now all I have to do now is put these little screws on. Alright guys, so next thing we have to do is go ahead and, I'm not sure how well you can see that, but we have to put the these screws in here, and then we have to put these like nut looking things at the bottom. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. We can hide our faces from light. When we run, we're chasing midnight. We feel the lows and we feel. Alright guys, we got the dash pad installed. So this truck is one step closer to being completed. But yeah, sorry, so let's go ahead and move on to the next thing. Risks that we'd take, we on the road and we on the sky. On the edge, we're so alive. Alright guys, in case you were wondering how this works, so basically like all it does is like it pushes this little mechanism and that's what unlocks the door. Alright guys, so like the old one worked, but since like the button was messed up, it was not working that well. So it's a good thing that we're gonna be replacing it. So basically like this was the thing that was broken. Like it was supposed to be in here. It also needs to have a spring, but it didn't have a spring. Actually it did, but it was just broken. That's why like this was pushed in all the way, because like the spring wasn't returning it back. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and install the new door handle. Super freaking shiny, love it. By the way guys, we're going from this one to this one. They're the exact same, but just this one's the new one. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the other side, because we actually have to fix the window in that one. Alright guys, so I'm on the driver's side door. We took off the panel. It's right there. And this is one. So like the window doesn't go up, but it's because it fell off the roller. But since I already dealt with this in the white truck, I went ahead and took off these screws, or these two screws right here, which allows me to move the guide, and like it gives me enough room to go ahead and put the window back up. Alright guys, I think we got the window. Yep. We got to start working again. Alright guys, now that it's back on, we can go ahead and put the bolts back on for this, so we can hold the window in place. Alright guys, so I think I'm not gonna replace the weather thing again, because like this one's brand new. I think like the last persons that had this one, they probably like replaced it. The only thing I'm probably gonna end up replacing right now is this, so water doesn't go inside the door. So let's go ahead and do that really fast. Alright guys, so we got the other side on too, so that means that this window shouldn't be getting any water inside. So next thing we have to do is actually go ahead and raise the window and replace this sticker. Alright guys, so this is how it's supposed to look. Actually this one's already like, they already tried fixing it before. So like the other one was missing the little spring right there, but yeah, I guess it's a good thing we're replacing them, because these look like they're about to they're like on their last limb. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one. See, like it says right there, left. And then the little screw that comes. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. As you saw, we were able to complete everything besides the weather stripping, because I guess the last owner replaced it, but it's all good. We can save it for in case it rips or goes bad. We can probably switch it on this one, even though these are still good. But yeah, so don't forget guys that the next video will be us going to a car meet, and it's gonna be a car meet, air show, and like a music festival, and supposedly it's like a really big event. So we're gonna be there this weekend. Alright guys, but we're gonna be at the event. We're gonna take both of the trucks. At least we were able to complete everything for the green one, so the green one's ready to go, the white one's ready to go. We're gonna be over there Saturday and Sunday. We're probably gonna be there all day. But if y'all are gonna be around there, make sure to come and check out the trucks. Come see the trucks in person. So I guess I'll see you next time. But if you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time, guys.